Traveling internationally is becoming easier for Americans in 2026. Many countries are now welcoming U.S. visitors without the hassle of visas, making it simple to explore new destinations, enjoy local culture, and experience adventures across the globe. Traveling around the world is getting easier for Americans in 2026. More countries are opening their doors, making it possible to explore exciting destinations without the hassle of visa applications. In this video, we'll highlight 7 countries where Americans can visit visa-free, explain why they are so welcoming, and give tips to make your trips unforgettable. From hidden European gems to bustling Asian cities, this list has something for every type of traveler. Let's dive into the countdown. Number 7. Albania. Albania may not be the first place on your travel list, but in 2026, it's one of the most welcoming countries for American visitors. So, why is Albania so friendly toward Americans? The main reason is tourism and economic growth. Albania wants to attract more visitors to boost its economy. American travelers bring valuable spending that supports hotels, restaurants, and local businesses. Visitors can explore ancient castles, relax on the Albanian Riviera, and wander vibrant cities like Tirana, all without needing a visa. Americans can stay for up to 1 year without applying for a visa, making trips more flexible and affordable. Beyond tourism, Albania has strong cultural ties with the United States. Many Albanians have family living in America, creating personal connections that make visitors feel at home. For travelers, this means you get to explore a hidden European gem without having to worry about paperwork delays. You can, enjoy historic towns, Mediterranean cuisine, and those really scenic mountains, all while contributing to the local economy. In 2026, Albania's visa-free policy is about more than just tourism. It's about building trust, promoting investment, and showing Americans that they are truly welcome. Albania is a small country in the Balkans that's often overlooked by travelers, but honestly, it's becoming one of the most American-friendly destinations in 2026. U.S. citizens can stay for up to 1 year without a visa, which is actually longer than what most European countries offer. Number 6. Georgia. Next up is Georgia, a country right at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. In 2026, it's definitely among the most American-friendly destinations out there. Georgia offers visa-free entry for Americans for up to 1 year, which is, honestly, one of the longest periods anywhere in the world. Visitors can explore Tbilisi's Old Town, taste the world-famous Georgian wine, and hike in those breathtaking Caucasus Mountains without any visa hassles. Another reason Georgia welcomes Americans is, political and economic alignment. The country really values its relationship with the U.S. and sees tourism as a way to strengthen ties, while also positioning itself as a safe, modern destination. Number 5. Serbia. Serbia is quickly becoming a favorite spot for Americans in 2026. The country offers visa-free travel for up to 90 days, making it easy to plan short vacations or longer adventures. Serbia's motivation is economic opportunity and cultural exchange. American tourists bring tourism revenue, support local businesses, and help Serbia gain international attention. Visitors can enjoy Belgrade's nightlife, explore medieval monasteries, or hike through national parks without any paperwork. Serbia also wants to build stronger ties with the United States. Visa-free travel promotes friendship, encourages investment, and presents Serbia as a modern, welcoming nation. Travelers can enjoy local cuisine, music festivals, and historic sites freely. Visa-free travel allows Americans to engage with Serbia's rich history, music, and cuisine, while fostering friendly international relations. The tourism industry benefits greatly from Americans, supporting everything from family-run restaurants to boutique hotels. In 2026, Serbia's visa-free policy is more than convenience. It's about building connections and creating memorable experiences for visitors. Number 4. Brazil. Brazil, South America's largest country, is a dream destination for many Americans. In 2026, Brazil welcomes U.S. travelers without a visa for up to 90 days. The reason is simple. Tourism is a vital part of Brazil's economy. Americans spend billions on hotels, tours, and local experiences. Visitors can explore the Amazon rainforest, enjoy Rio de Janeiro's beaches, or discover São Paulo's energy freely. Brazil also promotes reciprocity and stronger diplomatic relations with the United States. Visa-free entry encourages cultural exchange, letting Americans enjoy Brazilian festivals, music, and cuisine firsthand. For travelers, this means easy, spontaneous trips without waiting for visa approvals. The policy boosts Brazil's tourism competitiveness and helps local businesses, making American visitors feel truly welcome. From carnival celebrations to wildlife adventures, Brazil is ready for American travelers in 2026. Number 3, Singapore. Singapore, a clean and modern city-state, continues to welcome Americans without a visa in 2026. Tourism is a key reason. Visitors can explore Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, and bustling hawker centers without paperwork. Americans can stay up to 90 days, giving plenty of time to enjoy both city attractions and nearby destinations. Singapore also has strong economic and diplomatic ties with the United States, making visa-free travel a natural extension of their partnership. This policy allows travelers to attend business meetings, conferences, or simply enjoy leisure trips seamlessly. For American visitors, this means saving time and money while enjoying Singapore's mix of culture, cuisine, and modern amenities. Hotels, restaurants, and attractions benefit from international spending, encouraging repeat visits. In 2026, Singapore remains a top destination that values and welcomes Americans. Number 2, Japan. Japan is a longtime favorite for Americans, and in 2026, visa-free entry for up to 90 days makes travel even simpler. Tourism is, honestly, crucial to Japan's economy. American visitors really support local businesses, hotels, restaurants, and cultural sites. You can explore Tokyo's skyline, Kyoto's temples, or Osaka's food culture freely. The strong United States-Japan alliance also plays a big role here. Visa-free travel reflects deep historical, economic, and security ties, while promoting cultural exchange. For travelers, it means planning trips is faster and simpler, allowing spontaneous visits or business travel without delays. From cherry blossom season to winter skiing, Japan offers year-round experiences that Americans can enjoy freely. In 2026, visa-free entry highlights Japan's friendship and hospitality toward American visitors. Number 1. South Korea. Topping our list is South Korea, the country that welcomes Americans most openly in 2026. Visa-free entry for up to 90 days makes travel seamless. Tourism is essential to the economy, and Americans contribute significantly. Visitors can explore Seoul's palaces, Busan's beaches, and Jeju Island's natural wonders without paperwork. South Korea values its alliance with the United States, spanning military, economic, and cultural connections. The visa-free policy strengthens people-to-people ties. Another factor is the Korean wave. K-pop, dramas, and Korean cuisine have sparked massive interest in visiting. For American travelers, this means easy access, no paperwork, and freedom to explore spontaneously. Whether attending a K-pop concert, visiting drama filming locations, or enjoying Korean barbecue, Americans are welcomed warmly. Businesses across the country, from boutique hotels to restaurants and tour operators, thrive on this flow of visitors. In 2026, South Korea shows that welcoming Americans is about partnership, shared culture, and unforgettable experiences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Which country are you most excited to visit visa-free in 2026? If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Click the bell icon button to get the next video. Thank you for staying with us and see you in the next video.